In my opinion, one of the most frustrating things about divorce practice is that I can't always move a case forward. Basically, the way I look at it, there's just two types of cases. Either we have an agreement that the parties negotiate and sign, or we go to court and the judge decides. But it takes two people to reach an agreement, which usually means two people responding to emails, two people negotiating, two people talking, whether between attorneys or among themselves, about what it's going to look like after the ink is dry on this final divorce decree. And if he's not willing to come to the table, if he's not willing to participate in that discussion at all, then there's very little else we can do but file for divorce and move it forward with the courts on the contested docket. And that's a lot harder. It's a lot more time consuming, a lot more expensive. And it's not always down to, well, how aggressive is your attorney? How is she going to fight for you? What's she going to do to move the case forward? If my client's husband is not willing to come to the table to negotiate, and my client isn't willing to pay what it costs, I'm sorry to say, but pay what it costs to file for divorce and move things forward through the court, then we often reach a stalemate. And those are some of my longest lasting and most difficult, at least emotionally, cases to handle, because there's very little I can do at that point, and that sucks.